Hey everyone, this is Ram. So this video features a room at the Courtyard Marriott in Chennai and my experience staying here. I'll be talking about everything this room offers. If you're someone who's looking to book your stay at this hotel, I hope this one helps you out. Let's get started. After the quick check-in process, I headed to my room, which had a beautiful sight like this. This 275 square feet room made me feel fresh as soon as I stepped in. My booking was for a Deluxe King Room, but I got offered a twin room due to unavailability. I was okay with it, and it gave me the chance to sleep on both beds during my stay. By the bed, you'll find 2 complimentary water bottles, a clock that's probably in a different time zone, a telephone, the remote to the TV, some alcohol wipes, and a safety assurance note from the hotel. My favorite spot in the room is the workspace. It gave me the motivation to get a bunch of things done. You can request items like the mini bar or any amenities you might need on the Marriott Bonvoy app. By the work table, you can find 2 universal adapter sockets for your electronic devices. There's ample storage space for 2 people. There's one by the work table and there's a closet. Inside the spacious closet, you'll find some coat hangers, a laundry bag, a pair of slippers, and a shoe mitt. Walking into the marble bathroom, you'll find a shower cubicle on your right and a wash sink to your left with a set of toiletries you would need. Right below the sink, you'll find some nicely rolled clean towels. Now let me show you what that button does. Here's the view from the room when you open the curtains. That's how soft the pillows were. You get complimentary Wi-Fi included in your booking. Connecting to the Wi-Fi was easy. I only had to enter my last name and the room number. I'm someone who doesn't watch TV, but after a very long time, I happen to enjoy some shows on the TV. If you're someone who notices low frequency sounds like me, the one thing that might disturb you could be the sound of the air conditioner and the backup generator. When you open the cabinet under the TV, you'll find the coffee and tea making station, some storage space, and an empty fridge. The hotel offers 24/7 room service. This being a 4-star hotel, the food here is expensive. For dinner on day 1, I ordered some chili cheese toast. I was completely disappointed with it. The size and quantity of the slices were ridiculous. The only comforting part of my food was the fries and the coleslaw. On day 2, I decided to give the restaurant another chance by ordering some pasta. I was glad this worked out and I enjoyed the food. The quantity was just about right to fill me up. Breakfast was part of my booking and it was at their restaurant called Paprika. The buffet had Indian and continental food with a few live stations. I decided to stick to some South Indian food and I was happy with my choice. You have to try the cinnamon rolls and other pastries here. They were so delicious and I ended up having 2 more plates apart from this one. The service from their staff was excellent at the restaurant. I had all my requests handled courteously. Along with breakfast, my booking had a 20% discount at the coffee shop and spa, which I never got to use. The next few photos might help you find any other information you need for your stay. Overall, I enjoyed everything about my stay here except for this one. The room was elegant and I found it comfortable throughout the stay. Thanks to the entire team at the Courtyard for making my stay a pleasant one. I'm grateful I had the chance to stay here, and staying at a Marriott hotel after a long time made my experience even more enjoyable. Book your room through the Marriott official website to get the best rates like I did. Also, you get better offers if you're a Marriott Bonvoy member. Located under 5 minutes from the US Embassy, this hotel is a suitable choice if you're traveling to attend your appointment. So do consider staying at the Courtyard and you'll have a great time. That's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, do click on the red button below. If you have any questions, let me know about them. I'll see you in the next video. You have an amazing day.